Guys, how many of you know the Statue of Liberty? Another hot news is coming. Pay attention. Let me shock you. For those that doesn't know what the Statue of Liberty is, there's one statue that is in United States of America. That is carved, like someone is holding like a staff or something up there. Yeah, that statue was replicated in Brazil, and yesterday a video surfaced showing that one in Brazil as it was blown by a strong wind yesterday. It's well. I guess maybe the wind is crazy. The wind is the vex the wind say, this Statue of Liberty no be only for US today. Why una come replicate una own put for Brazil? Which one dey try from? And I know say US na world power. Why una come put abi una want to claim world power? Anyway, I'll show you the video below. I'll show you the video. It was blown by a strong wind yesterday. That's why I say let me bring it up to you guys. You know, things dey happen. It's well.